These are leaders from Nyaribari Chache and Nyaribari Masaba constituencies regarding the behavior and actions by the Deputy Governor, Kisii County, Honorable Dr. Robert Monda. And so it goes. We are not party to the recent move by the Deputy Governor, Dr. Robert Monda, to join UDA leaders and those opposed to the county leadership. We categorically state that as leaders from Nyaribari, we were not consulted by the Deputy Governor and his decision to join the political camp, which is anti-development and anti-government. We wish to remind the Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, that the seat that he occupies belongs to the Nyaribari people, and that as people who belong to the Kisii County, he must consult before making any political move at any given time. It is unfortunate that the Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, is now going against the Governor of Kisii, His Excellency Simba Arati, who means well for the people of Kisii and Nyaribari as a whole. We are sad to note that the Deputy Governor has joined the political detractors who are fighting the Governor and distance himself and the entire Nyaribari people from the move. This is to say that the Deputy Governor Monda made a personal move and not that of the people from Nyaribari, which does not involve the people that I've mentioned, those who come from the two constituencies of Nyaribari Chache and Nyaribari Masaba. As a people, we want to reiterate our support for the Governor Paul Simba Arati and urge him to soldier on in his development agenda for the people of Kisii. We want to ask the UDA leadership in Kisii that is led by one Silvanus Osoro, the Senator Richard Momoima Onyonga, and the Kisii Women Rep Donya Toto, and now Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, who is the Deputy Governor, to cease from fighting our dear Governor and let him to serve the people of Kisii County. We now demand that the Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, to clarify whether he has honorably defected or stepped down from his role as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. Yes. And lastly, we want to state as follows, that within 24 hours, the Deputy Governor, Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, must come out within the 24 hours to clear the air on whether his move is to step down as a Deputy Governor or to work for the people of Kisii County.
Yes! Shem Mogesa Nyamwaya. I come from Pirongo Ward, Nyaribari Church constituency. I'm really disturbed mentally by the actions of the Deputy Governor Kisii County, Dr. Robert Monda. He took a worst step that he could have not taken anyway, because he accompanied His Excellency Simba Arati during the campaigns, and for sure Simba Arati carried him all the way up to the position that he has right now. And we are so surprised that he could take the move that he took to go and join the opposition party against the governor, which don't want any development in Kisii County, and they just want to pull him back but we are saying that we are supporting the governor, and for sure we will support him to the last end. Mr. Monda did not consult with the MCS so that we know the way forward, like already has been said in the statement. He could have consulted, and he could have even asked the governor if he could host the people that he hosted. This group had come from a fund drive in Nyabururu, where they abused the governor. They called him Aseke Echa Okora, and then he could allow these people to sit in his house, the people who are abusing his boss.
Yes. Now we are wondering what is happening now when people from Gucha are now having this position. I want to request our people from Kisii County that we want to take this thing seriously and tell our people that it is time for people of Gucha to lead for 10 years. And we want to support our governor for the next 10 years so that they also accomplish their time in the office. Yes. After 10 years, then Kisii Central will also come for the same position. Yes.
Soba onsare Monda. Gotwarure nyari bali chache na masaba. Egento giatoretire niki. Monda igachete agatotebyo nyorire governor are abe deputy governor atorera Simba unetaya. Omanyire koimoka etaye elio yerutire roche omanyire gochaka kutoira sege sunte ngatonto ke gochio ntwanje. Monda donyo letumana watu kora mikutano imikutano 5 tukajikokorera Nairobi alio Simba tata naende ngakyo korogo sariege twoli ase kwabeire mbiyego asego Monda lero injera kwa na adisori mote no manyete na injera go tebetie
nari bari masaba na chache deputy governor ogiyo korokunga Monda okorire bintu tutamanyete bire mamincha kero twachagete orogendo oro twachagete buna abana abamo no munyari bari no monto monene ni gara andete na andika ga decide ro kore gento ga koro rimo tuka gabano ito chikura ekero twa gabano ito chikura bono deputy governor osoire gosaria osokire korwa aso munyari bari ekera ari kuri chikura ga ari gutorangeria auto consult tachi etigo to consult tachi etigo to boria okorire bintu biaye bakorire na donya toto bakorire no soro bakorire na onyonka bone ekero bakorire bintu imbato boreti omo ichana monene ekero bagochaka ko tebiga bano itunga otamire korwa asare ataratoboria gakitari kuratoboria amanya goja bone ekero tura oyo nero munyari bari nandi nero ete Simba Arati chikura na Simba Arati tari tabaise gotetemeka no turamo nandi intuni into tutagete no morembe omorembe nandi tumusapoti obugambi obwaye obugambi amane kera etu na ikaransete obugambi obwaye taranyora kende tanyorete kende ge guchi kumusapoti lakini we sacrifice onyorire chibesa ekera genderete nyene county ye abantu bataranyora emirimo nagendere guchi mutu
Simba tae nyagutwara ribaga rigiya yogo kore emirimo nechisegi mambi na marogoba mwensi mumanyete nga Simba gaba gisachoretwe tabwatie a public service board bono nyebekire in place mbare ko mwari baga nere bange Kisii County abantu bagusi na barobanyore egetari cy'uburayi bwaye baramubekere segi mambi na marogoba ngakera akora bange gusi ngakera akore amagenderero nesegi yero kero murayo ryo choretwe tigakore emirimo yaye kero montaganye 2027 oye byaga sobikoria onye mondo tagete koba umugabana tigatie kuburia ubugabana ubugwetera Simba Arati tigane Arati ne 2027 abantu bamwakira chikura nera abegabana tabaise kugana ubugabana through a shortcut amangana backdoor abantu batige abagusi ababajari bari totine na gaiga angamundo gotobekamo atoira Simba na toto